Bike mount. Compatible devices: Edge 1000, Edge 20, Edge 200, Edge 25, Edge 500, Edge 510, Edge 520, Edge 800, Edge 810, Edge 820, Edge Explorer 1000, Edge Explorer 820, Edge Touring Plus, Varia Rearview radar. Secures unit to handlebar. Mount fits up to a 1-inch diameter bar. Perfect for bike. Top reviews from the United States. It holds my Hammerhead Karoo II bike computer securely on my bike's handlebars. The handlebars on my bike are slightly tapered so the bolt-on bracket that shipped with my bike computer doesn't hold it stable and, after a few road bumps, it slips and turns to where I cannot see the display. This mount uses 2 silicone bands to secure the mount. Either one holds the mount tightly enough that it doesn't slip. Because there are 2 of them, it is very unlikely that the failure of one will lead to the failure of the other.